Hi, hello. Welcome to my son's first birthday vlog. Even the words coming out of my mouth feel surreal to me because this is a baby I prayed for, I wanted, I gave birth to, and it's been a year since I gave birth to him. I can't believe that I'm a mother, and then let alone the fact that I'm a mother of now when someone asks me how old he is, it's not going to be XYZ months, it's going to be 1 year. Like it's just still sinking in. Thank you. And it's a chaotic morning. It's a chaotic household situation. We are hosting a small shindig for Rafa's first birthday with just family and super close friends. In fact, a couple of the super close friends aren't even going to be able to make it, unfortunately, because obviously it's the 31st of December. Somebody's fallen sick, somebody has plans, there are things going on everywhere. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek into some of the preps and some of this morning till this point. I've already finished my makeup, as you can see. I'm filming the Get Ready With Me video for that. My outfit is at the back. You've seen this in a recent haul. I've been very active in YouTube shorts, but I've been very active on long form YouTube also. I will give that to myself, considering I've had a newborn baby all year. I have not disappeared. I'm feeling back into my own groove, like I got my mojo back, and like I'm learning to be proud of myself again in my life. And I just want to say that the whole quote about, the whole quote that they say about flamingos lose their pink when they give birth and they just take some time to get it back. I can feel like my pink is starting to come back to me. And as much as I've been tired this year, it's also been the happiest year of my life. Emotions aside, I have logistics. I need to get ready. The photographer Adrian will be here in the next some time. I want to make sure everything's in place. Setup is on finishing touches. There's a lot going on, and I'm going to change my clothes, finish my Get Ready With Me, and leave you to the snippets that I just talked about. Also need to do my hair. I saw some of the references you sent over for the animal theme. Are there any other suggestions you have apart from an animal theme? Like, just wanted to check.
Yeah, definitely. I have a lot of options for themes. First reference is basically what I did for my daughter last year for her first birthday.
Oh,
and
what's her name?
Yeah, that's the one with this entry, and
So the thing is, see, he's so small, he doesn't understand themes or what he likes and doesn't like as yet. It's more a matter of what I like for him at this point. I want to keep it as chill, but I still want it to like look nice and look good in images and kind of have it as a good memory keepsake, because I would like to show him this many years later. So I feel like I'm open to more theme ideas if you have them. This is what I like. I don't know what he likes as of right now.
No, sorry, I was just saying I can send you a couple of themes. I'll send you a PDF with a couple of options for the same. So how much space do we have in terms of creating the backdrop?
I can give you exact dimensions if you like, but like where I'm at is literally in present tense. 20th of November. Today is the first day where a lot of my furniture is starting to get made for the living room, because we moved into this house only a few months ago. Okay, so it's the 27th of November. We have just a little over 1 month for Raphael's first birthday. Rachita, who I'm likely doing all of my decor with, we did one virtual meeting and today she's actually coming home. I am excited for her to come in because I've actually been having some thoughts since my last conversation with her. I was initially planning on this whole like animal-y safari theme, which has been on my mind for a couple of months now, but I'm realizing that I will never get the chance to do like a cute teddy bear theme for him once he starts understanding things, because boys are likely, stereotypically speaking, keen on things like space, astronaut, animals at some point, but I'll never get like to do like the whole cute brown teddy bear kind of theme. And I saw it in Rachita's PDF when she had sent me the various themes that she had done. I think I'm leaning towards that. I've had this discussion with my friend Trisha, who's a mom, and her son is 10 months ahead of Raphael age-wise. I had this conversation with my bhabhi, who obviously has kids who are 9 and 13, and they both agreed that animal safari wala theme karne ka mauka phir se milega, but this cute teddy bear theme I probably won't get to do again. And so when she comes in today, I think I'm going to confirm that with her. She's going to take measurements and just the whole aspect of figuring what elements we want for the decor. I want to make the house super birthday-ish aesthetic decor, but I also don't want to do OTT because it's just family getting together and just very, very few close friends I think have really been there for me, but also made an effort on their relationship with Raphael. You know what I mean? So yeah, she should be here any minute, and I'm obviously taking you to that meeting. I feel like a little photo op corner over here is a good idea. The buffet, in a sense, is likely to be here. Because then we're not going to do like a sit down situation at all. So I'm probably going to do like apps over there or some kind of food on that side as well.
I just don't want to get it very ahead. That's why the door also opens.
Do you want to pick a different corner? I'm open.
No, but then if your console is coming there, that was also
so that
very
you can
nice.
cover the bookshelf. This whole niche na, that you're seeing.
You want to do a diagonal thing here?
I'm open to it. Whatever you recommend. Was this the one in the PDF? No, na. ऐसा ही कुछ था लेकिन.
हाँ नहीं
ये-
यही था ये.
यही था. I like something like this.
Yeah.
Because I actually have pictures of him in flat lay form
Yeah.
of every month
Yeah.
holding like a little one, holding like a two. I've never posted, I've never used. I'm just collecting for myself.
That happens, yeah.
That is
So I think that this is a little cuter. You know, like clip-ons and stuff.
like both are cute, but it's about what do you think, Raf?
This would look good.
The sunburn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that then. So I love using Canva for like pretty much everything. This is the save the date that I sent out a couple of nights ago. Just keeping it very simple over here, but I've specifically mentioned that since our angel's birth date is a special one because it's the 31st of December, we're asking you way in advance to please save the date so that people know well in advance, since it's the kind of date people usually have plans for. And this, I think, is the invite that I'm going ahead with. I'm just sitting and personalizing it. The other option I have is actually this one, which is also just so cute. So maybe I'll make both and then I'll decide which one I want to go ahead with. I do like both, but oh baby almost sounds like a baby announcement. So if I change this to Raphael, maybe that makes sense. Let me show you once I customize it. Okay, so I think this is the one I'm gonna go ahead with. The details are just really simple, if you know what I mean. Whereas over here, even though I think it's really cute, the formatting is so detailed, which I don't need because it's literally happening at home. So I feel like I'm gonna go ahead with this one, and I'm not gonna send it out today because as you can see it's only the 3rd of December today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and send this out around the 20th, since the save the date is already gone, and since it's a super close set of people, they already know this stuff, but I did want to send an invite out. Yeah, debating making this 12:30 PM onwards because tab jaake log 1 PM tak ka aayenge. If I say 1, I'm worried people will show up at 2, and honestly I just want Rafa to be awake between his nap time, because that is obviously happening for the first time where I'm hosting something for him, like with a big gathering like this. Big gathering meaning it's family gathering, but ho ke bhi my guest list has gone to close to 30 people anyway, which is still only our essentials, like essentials in the sense family and close family friends. So I do think I should consider making this 12:30, but let's see. Minor change if at all I do make it. Final silly little change, but I still wanted to show you. The layout originally had things on the right over here, which I have gone ahead and changed everything to being center. I think the teddy looks really cute over here. So this is the final invite. Okay, so there's some confusion happening in my life and I'm trying to figure what to do. So these are the stickers that I'm planning to make bag tags out of that don't have any name on it. These are for the adults, for the return presents that we're surprising everybody with. We just say thank you very much because that's the berry theme. Iska bag tag banega, which will just go on the handle of the bag. Now I'm planning to make a custom gift wrapper, which basically everybody, all the children, will get their custom gifts in. I have basically customized, wow, I look like a mess. I have basically customized every child's return present based on their age, based on their interests. So those are getting gift wrapped. Now the fail of this is that and if you watch my shorts regularly, I hope you've subscribed, you know that I ordered a huge roll, and I usually like to keep some kind of gift wrapper at home. But this time I tried a brown one that came in a roll, and this time it turned out to be very thick. I've used like plain papers before, but this one I ordered from a different vendor on Amazon.
Oh, the one you were using?
Yeah, and that one I tried to do the Secret Santa wrapping in present day. It was literally yesterday. Jerry's Secret Santa thing. And the paper turned out to be so thick that I couldn't fold it to do it the way I wanted to. Which is why now when I'm making this gift wrapper, I need to make sure it's a little bit thin so that you can, I can wrap it a little bit easily, or I have to give it to the guy who wraps it, but we'll see. At least the paper needs to be thin. So number 1, children getting custom gift wrapped return presents. Adults getting their bags, gift hampers with the bag tag. And now I need to make a sticker for each child, which is what I have made here. Yes, yes. Each child's name is over here, as you can see. I need to figure that if I'll end up doing this sticker, then the gift wrapper can't be the same design. Otherwise, it's going to be same print over same print. So I need to figure the print of the gift wrapper and send it for print soon, like today, like now. Okay, obviously finalized my designs and had them printed too. How cute do these look? These are the bag tags. The hole is punched. अब जो मैंने बड़े smart ass के जैसा सोचा था कि मैं वो ribbon डालूंगी with the brown paper, which is not worked out. I have a thinner, nice like ribbon to put on it. While the paper is not going to be useful, the ribbon will be useful. We will use that as bag tags. In case you're wondering what this is going on, the adults are getting return presents, which they do not know about, obviously. And these are the gift wrappers for the babies. So all of them are going to get return presents inside this custom gift wrapper, and basically it's like normal but thick paper, not as thick as the brown one. It's white on the inside. I may need to print a few more because I've got 15 done here, and this is like a super affordable way of customizing things, you guys, but looks and feels super premium, super nice. So I am probably gonna land up needing more of these. The funny thing is, if I don't land up being able to gift wrap them, I'm going to give it to the same guy only, gift wrap also. So also जितने ज़रूरत पड़े आप print करके डाल देना. But I really hope that since this paper is like regular paper, I'm able to gift wrap. I've never been great at it before. I've been great at notebook covering in school because that also needed some color. But it's been many years. So I really want to get back into that zone. I really want to get back into my arts, crafts. I don't know DIY, but kind of DIY era, because I want Rafa to just have the kind of mom who does arts and crafts with him. Like for Rafa, I want to go back into that era. I'm so excited. If you need to know anything about me, you need to know that gift giving is one of my main love languages. So the fact that I got to customize return presents for each and every bacha was just so much fun for me also. I looked into each of their age groups and their preferences, what they enjoy, and then I took the custom gift wrapper, which I was separately so excited to just put together, and gift wrap myself. I think this is the first time I'm gift wrapping anything in my adult life myself. I typically outsource this, but I have to say it made the joy of giving so much more fun. I really enjoyed this part of putting the party together. Okay, we're officially at T-1 for Rafa's first birthday. I cannot believe that I can't believe I'm a mom on some days. I can't believe that my baby is here, and now I can't believe that my baby has turned 1. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. I am so excited for tomorrow because everyone's getting together to celebrate my child, and I wanted to make sure that apart from all of the return presents that the bacha party is getting, I wanted to make sure every like adult also goes back with a return present. I don't need for things to be extravagant, but I just wanted to have the gesture of gifting everyone something for their time and for their presents. And I want to show you what I put together for them, because I've thrown together things from 2 brands from completely different categories, genres of products that I personally really love. First things first, there has to be something beauty centric or something self-care, skin centric kind of. So I've got 3 really cute minis from a brand called L'Occitane that I don't need to introduce you to. They're literally one of the most famous brands, especially their bath and body products are my personal favorite. You have heard me talk on and on about this brand in the past. I'm fortunate to have actually also gotten the chance to work with them in the past. I'm not getting paid to say anything that I'm about to say, but I just genuinely wanted to give you my little bit of thoughts of the products that I'm putting into the bag and why I chose these products to go into the bag. We've got all minis. So we've got L'Occitane's rose perfumed hand cream, which I thought would be great for the winters, which I thought was just a very nice like thing to throw into the bag and just have at hand at all times. And I'm a very rose fragrance person, so I took the liberty of putting that in for everyone else. Their milk concentrate range is one that I really like. Almond milk concentrate range is one that I really like. So we have a mini of that as well over here. And the third product, listen, even dry skin people may relate, but ab to hum winter mein hai, so even like the non-dry skin people are gonna get this. I have been obsessed with their almond shower oil for so long that I'm going to show you something. I just pushed this away to be in my empties. This I think is, I don't know what bottle number it is actually. I was about to say I think it's bottle number 5, but it's probably 4, it's probably 7. I've lost track. I literally have 2 full ones right here, and this was not received in PR for the record. I buy a lot of L'Occitane. I'm an avid customer of the brand and their almond range, their entire almond range is my personal favorite. It's just one of those things that as a dry skin girl, and now even though Jerry has oily skin in the winter, even he uses it because their products are so damn good. So I decided to put these three products together, these three minis together for the adults, but it's not just this. But I am going to leave these products linked and tagged for you down below in the description section, up here in the video. I love that I can tag products I'm talking about in the video now. It makes my life so much easier. Does it help you as well? Tell me in the comments, or do you not care? I got these products with a little, not so little, Lok Sita bag to go with it. ये तो इतनी ही जगह लेते हैं, and I decided to add some more things. So let's put this aside, and I'm about to show you the other set of things that are going into the bag. If you know me, you know I love my food, you know I love my dessert, you know I love my chocolate. So I wanted to throw in something neater with the Lok Sita stuff over here. I have over here not one, not two, but three things from Smoor. Again, Smoor is a brand that I'm a customer of. Smoor is a brand that I've had the opportunity to work with, and I'm so grateful that all of these things have worked out for my son's birthday. Over here, I have their 55% cocoa salted peanut barks. Their barks, you have to try their barks. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. Obviously, you're not going to be able to smell it or taste it with me in the video. All I can say is you have to go ahead and try to know what I'm talking about. Their salted range is really nice. You're going to see a little bit of a pattern here, because over here I also have their sea salt malt. These are their medley chocolate bars. I need to tell you that I'm someone that likes sweet stuff, but my sweet stuff, if it's too sweet, I get bored of in just a bite. You know what I mean? I need it to be sweet enough to leave me wanting more and finish the whole thing. And I feel like they do their... I'm salivating. They do their... I was going to say formula as if it's beauty. They do their recipes like that. That's what I'm going to say, and I'm just going to leave it there. And I have a lot of guests, family members basically tomorrow who I know are fans of dark chocolate. So I wanted some hint of dark chocolate there, even though I'm a very moody, by the way, dark chocolate eater. I don't gravitate towards dark chocolate, but this is one of their best sellers. It's the True Cocoa Bar Intense 70%. Can you see that? Dark chocolate. And even though I'm not like, I don't gravitate towards dark chocolate, if it tastes good, because I've tasted it before and I feel like my family is going to like it, I was like, okay, this needs to go in the bag as well. So there's enough of a variety for everyone between beauty and between khana. I'm not done yet. I want to show you, I think you may have seen in the whole, like, when I was doing the whole branding for this party, a little bit of what I'm gonna add on into this bag. I have these really cute thank you bag tags punched and made. It says thank you very much for making my first birthday so very special. With love, Raphael Gerard Anam. I only wish I printed the text to be slightly bigger, but abhi ho chuka hai to ho chuka hai. I was debating whether I should put this with like a little brown ribbon or a matching yellow ribbon, black ribbon, or should we get a blue ribbon? So I'm going to look at some options today and figure that angle out. You will see the final product at the party tomorrow. But I want to say a big thank you to both Lok Sita as well as Smoor Chocolates for coming on and helping me fill these bags of goodie bags for my friends and family. Why am I still salivating? I'll tell you why I'm salivating. The view next to me, I'm going to try and show it to you in a way that it doesn't show my address, hopefully. I literally have 2 peties full of Lok Sita goodies over here, which you have seen go into the bag. And over here, literally a carton full of chocolate. So I'm just gonna say I feel like a very lucky girl. I'm very humbled. I'm very grateful. And yeah, I'm leaving Smoor everything linked, tagged for you as well. Go check them out in case you haven't. You have my recommendation. You know, when it comes to makeup and food, you can count on me. Like makeup in the sense beauty and food, you can count on me. I think this might be my last prep update before the birthday party lunch tomorrow. I have coordinated with the decor person. She just has to confirm what time she is coming in tomorrow and what time she'll finish setup. I will have the photographer come in accordingly. The cake is coming in by around 1. I've asked Omar to pick that up because it's on his way. Lots of good stuff. Okay, we've got option 1 for Rafa over here. Everything's on theme with the colors, as you can see. I'm thinking this bow thing will be really cute for him to cut the cake in and everything. Then this is a sparish option. I'm not really leaning towards it much because another third option has come up, which is a gift from my Chacha to him, which is a Versace quad set, which is adorable. And this is what I was thinking is a really nice strong option as well. The colors are perfectly on theme for today. What to do? Should we start with this one or should we start with this one? I feel like let's start with that one. And then maybe at some point we'll come here. And then this is extra, and that Versace quad set, which is a gift, is in the gift pile right now. That is also extra.
Today's your day. We're so happy to say we're so happy that you were born. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Today's your day. We're so happy to say
Come on, let's see what you got. Go for it. Come, baby. Go for it.
You're feeding the bear now. You yourself need to eat, then feed
This cell in my body.
Break the ear to the card. Bear the card.
मेरी माँ मेरे को रोक क्यों नहीं रही है? Every time I put something in mouth, they all come running.
This pura close up filled with cake.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rafa. Happy birthday to you.
Dada Nani, Nana Nani.
official
मेरे से भी पहले राफा योर केक लाइक
Okay. We move it.
Oh no, Outfit number 2 is here and Housie is on. What's the next number?
Next number is 8, 9. 8.
Ticket ले ले एक. No, there are only these many numbers. ले लेना तेरा ही बाकी है. Oh, he picked 2, huh?
Next number is 4.
It is 8 o'clock, and even though someone has taken, that's my knee. Even though that's my knee, don't stand on my knee, bro. Raphael, Mama is old. It has aches and pains. It's way past someone's bedtime, but someone is wide awake. Huh? Palang khol do. It doesn't want to sleep. We've had 2 efforts of putting him to sleep so far, but between Khalid Bamu and all of these balloons and him playing catch with the most random things, someone doesn't want to sleep. What do I do? I almost feel like I should let him pull through a little bit because it's his birthday. Is this a sign that I'm supposed to be pushing your... Can you not throw my phone down for the 4th time today, my son? My 1-year-old son. How was today? Today was wholesome. Today was fun. Today was tiring, but I'm so grateful that everything worked out. The decor looked amazing. Rachita and her team did a fantastic job. The cake was amazing. The food was amazing. Honestly, like, I'm just so happy, alhamdulillah, with how everything went. Khalid, what do you think? Give us your thoughts. Khalid is single, guys. Just gonna put that out there. Khalid, what do you... Guys, sometimes I see girls in my DMs ask me questions and I don't know what their age is, so sometimes I don't reply to them. Khalid is 20 and single. Just gonna say that. You want a mommy? Yeah, tell him. He's not doing anything. Yeah. I don't know why he's not doing only anything. Yeah. Tell him, get on the apps, Mamu. Yeah. Khalid, how was today?
It's good.
It was great. And says the man who ate all of one dish of food because he doesn't eat anything apart from prawns. So while it's amazing that he's single, please know that he only eats prawns and nothing else. Bamu, because he's taught him how to say Baba. The Hyderabadis will know what Khalid's talking about because he has a lot of Hyderabadi friends in California. And so, grrr, no, it's grrr. He's doing grrr. The only thing that I don't know is that I hope the photos have all turned out great. I'm sure Adrian's done a fab job, but my parents and my in-laws, they did not go and take individual pictures with Rafa, so I have to count on whatever candid pictures will come off it. Of course, you've already probably seen a bunch of the pictures by now in the vlog, but I'm excited to see the pictures. And I'm a little bummed that Parok Hala and Janki Didi and all just refused to come out for pictures. So we got pictures with them later, but like I was like, hello. So like a few people here and there that I wish got one. Did you get one-on-one pictures with Rafa, with the photographer? No? See what I mean? I feel like I needed everybody to just go and like take their pictures with him, and I don't think enough people did that. So I'm a little sad about that, but hopefully the rest of the photos I'm sure have turned out great. मुझे ना पहले लोगों को बोल के रखना था कि प्लीज जाके ये करो, so you will get those shots with him because we need to capture all these memories from your first birthday, my love. It was a wholesome day. It was a lovely day. It's also New Year's Eve tonight, but Jerry and I are not going anywhere. We're going to stay home. Everyone else has plans, but because our baby is supposed to be asleep at that time, we decided that we're just going to stay in and be with him. Even if he's asleep, we just want to be around him and at home. Yeah, this is it for Rafa's first birthday vlog. Cannot believe my son is 1 year old. I am so grateful, so excited for everything ahead. Alhamdulillah, inshallah, mashallah, for everything that has happened, is happening and will happen. And thank you so much for watching and for always being so generous with your love for my Baba, who has just climbed on top of me and gone up. This is his latest hobby, climbing everywhere. What happened? Sona nahi hai aapko? Sona nahi hai aapko? Hey, be careful. Look at this. Okay, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one. See, bye. Love you. Okay, get down. Good job. Thanks for watching. Bye.